3 ways to increase your credit. Now listen, I'm not a credit specialist, but after helping a lot of buyers over the years, I learned a few things about the process. First, you can be added as an authorized user. Generally, you want to be added to a credit card that is paid off or it has a small balance and has been around for 2 years. This is a fastest way to increase your credit, and it's a great tactic for parents to apply to their kids. Number 2, making your payment on time. I know that sounds so basic, but timely payment is one of the best ways to keep a strong score. Lastly, lower your credit balance. Credit Bureau loves to see low balance with high limits are not being used. Don't close account, but rather pay them off, keep your limits high. Question regarding your credit and how to improve it? DM me or give me a call.